Hello friends, welcome to the video number 4, Pratham 1.0. It's a button input. Open a sample code of Pratham folder. Open an Arduino file. So as you can see here, pin number A7 is used for button input. So two buttons are connected to a single pin in a voltage divider networks. So for individual button, you will receive a different input. These two are the variables that we are using in this code. This is a check state function, variable button state to read exact state. So check state function is reading the value from A7 pin, and accordingly it compare that value with the two constants 0 and 400. If it is in between, then it will make check state function to a 1. If it is greater than 600 value, then it will be 2. So if it is in between 400 and 600, then it will make check state default 0 and both the output as a 0. Pin number 12 and pin number 13 we are using here for test, and this is our setup function. We are doing a serial begin in order to read the exact state for a debugging purpose, and for pin number 12 and 13 as indicators, buzzer and LEDs. In a main loop, we are calling a check state function that we discussed before, and then we are comparing a button state with 1 and 2. If the button state is equal to 1, then pin number 12 will be high. If it is 2, then pin number 13 will be high. So these two outputs we are using. Let's upload the code and see. Hello friends, power up your board and switch it on. There are two buttons, SW1 and SW2. So as per our code, both has two different functions. So pin number LED number 2 is currently on LED mode as per the jumper. You can put it in a buzzer mode also. Thank you.